Today, we are going to create perfectly parallel lines in AutoCAD using the offset tool. If your lines aren't lining up just right, this tip is for you. Let's take a shot. The offset command is one of the best tools for creating parallel lines or shapes at a consistent distance. You can use it to quickly replicate walls, parts, or any repetitive linear elements. By specifying a distance, AutoCAD will duplicate a selected line or objects at exact spacing, making it ideal for precision work. To access your offset command, move to the Home tab and navigate to the offset command, which is here. As you click on the offset command, it's going to immediately ask you to specify distance. Let's say 2 meters for our case. You select the object you are to offset and choose the direction. So as you can see, we are offsetting. You just have to click on the line and choose the direction. Click on the line and choose the direction. You can equally offset a square like this. So you can click here. It's going to offset 2 meters. Click is going to offset 2 meters and going to offset 2 meters. If you need to change the offset distance, press escape on your keyboard, then reactivate your space bar and type in the distance. Let's say we want 1.5 meters this time and press enter. As you can see, we can continue offsetting. We can choose a direction and offset. And that's how you pick perfectly parallel lines in AutoCAD. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more AutoCAD tips on this channel. See you in the next video.